Good evening, YouTube. This Keykeeper here, and as you guys can see, I've got my washer and my dryer. They're both Maytag units. Not sure how old they are, but they do a good job. I'm satisfied with them. The washer gets done a lot faster than the dryer, but check this out. I start my dryer, and I get a really annoying squeak. And if I have a really heavy load in there, like a bunch of bedding or whatever, it's even louder. I think it's the roller bearings that support the drum at the back of the unit. My dad thinks it's the bearing on the motor. I'd like you guys to tell me what you think. Get some noise of it. Probably shouldn't put the camera in the dryer. It might not like that, but that's what the noise is. Post a video response or comment below the video what you guys think it might be, because it's getting really bad as of late and I want to fix it before I ruin something.